Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Oppo Reno 10 5G. Deactivate the Oppo Reno 10 smartphone. Hold down the power and volume up keys simultaneously until the power off screen appears. While still holding the power and volume down keys, the Oppo logo will appear, indicating the device is entering recovery mode. Verify that the device has entered recovery mode. Select English language from the options displayed in recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, immediately select Format Data. Enter the verification code displayed on screen and confirm the formatted data by selecting Format. Await the commencement and completion of the formatting procedure. When the process is finished, a message stating Data formatted will appear. Select OK. Press the OK button and the device will reboot. Wait for it to power on. After the reset is complete, the phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.